Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest farming innovations and technologies. The COVID-19 pandemic has driven consumers towards sustainable and safe food solutions, leading to a significant boost in the alternative food industry. One such solution is lab-grown meat, which has received substantial backing from investors in recent years. However, the high costs of creating cultured products have made it challenging for these companies to commercialize their products and make them widely available. Mermade Seafoods, a Jerusalem-based startup, has developed a way to reduce the costs of lab-grown food and create it on a mass scale. Mermade CEO, Daniel Einhorn, says that the company's focus is on cultured seafood, and they aim to eventually replace the traditional seafood industry. Lab-grown food is created through a large collection of cells cultivated through fermentation in a bioreactor, which requires expensive ingredients, technologies, and processes. Companies typically discard the waste produced by the cells, making the process unsustainable and costly. However, Mermade Seafoods has developed a unique recycling process that uses microalgae to reuse the waste produced in the lab. The company takes the waste, which is rich in ammonia and carbon dioxide, and feeds it to the algae. The algae thrive on these materials, which is their food, and grow exponentially. By selecting the right strains of algae and using other biological methods, the company can produce ingredients that can be used as feed for the cells, reducing costs and waste accumulation. Mermade Seafoods is a pre-seed stage startup that has raised $1.5 million for its transformative technology. Einhorn notes that Mermade is the only company using the well-known aquacultural practice of aquaponics in cellular agriculture. They are bringing this approach to the production of cell-based seafood and have coined the term cytoponics for this use of aquaponics in cellular agriculture. The company has chosen to focus on lab-grown scallops as its first product, as the process to create them is less challenging than that of other cultured products. Mermade takes stem cells from scallops and multiplies them until they have enough to create food. Once the company improves its process, it plans to create other cultured seafood products such as shellfish. Mermade's recycling process can be used with any fermentation process, making it relevant to many industries. Einhorn believes that Mermade's technology could reduce the costs of medication that uses this type of fermentation process to produce different proteins. The company aims to use its recycling process to make cultured food products more affordable and available on store shelves. Einhorn notes that the high costs of cultured meat are the main reason it is not yet widely available. He believes that Mermade's technology could be the key to reducing costs enough to justify the commercialization of cultured meat. In conclusion, Mermade Seafoods has developed a unique recycling process that uses microalgae to reduce the costs of lab-grown food and create it on a mass scale. The company's focus is on cultured seafood, and it aims to use its technology to make cultured food products more affordable and available on store shelves.